how to use Uber app. So if you want to use Uber app, then what you need to do is first check your internet connection. Once you check your internet connection, you need to open up your Play Store or your App Store, and under that you just need to simply search for Uber and make sure to install the application. Simply tap on install and install the application. Once you install the application, you will have the open option. Just wait for some time till it installs, and once it's installed, tap on open, which is on the right side, and it will launch the application. And once it's launched, now if you want to allow the location, then you can simply go with using this app or only this time. I'll be choosing don't allow, and tap on continue, which is on the bottom of your screen. And now here you can sign up to your account or you can log into your account. So you can simply enter the mobile number with your country code and then go with continue if you don't have an account. But if you already have an account, you can continue with your Google, Apple, or email. Or you can go with find my account if you don't remember your account. So I'll be just entering my mobile number, go with continue, and you need to enter the 4-digit code which you received on your mobile number, and then tap on next, which is on the bottom, and it will take you to the Uber. So if you don't have an account, then it will take you to the create account page where you just need to simply enter your information like your name, your email address, and everything. And once you enter, you'll be ready to log into your account with your credentials. So once you've logged in, here you have been on the right section. You can also go with the Eats section, which is on the right side, which will take you to the Uber Eats. So under the right option, now here on the bottom, you will have home, which will take you to the home page. And you will have all of the suggestions like ride, reserve, 2 wheels, carpool, and etc. You can simply enter the pickup point by going to the search and choose now, or you can simply choose the time. You can set up a pickup time and go with the second option, which is services. And here you will have all of the services which you can use. And the third one is activity. So if you've booked any pre-rides, then you will have all of the rides right here. And simply go with the first option, which is account, and from here you can edit your account. You will have the help option, the payment option, or activity. And then if you scroll down, you will have all of this family and teens, settings, messages, and your business profile and everything. So you can simply go with the enter pickup point, and then you can simply choose the point. So for example, tap on set pickup time, and then you can set the time and you can select the pickup location. For example, I'll be choosing a location which is the Opera House, and here you will have all of the comfort options. You can simply choose a ride. So you can go with the comfort option or the Uber X or Uber XL or Uber Green, and you will have the popular or economy or premium, everything. So you can simply choose any one of these. So for example, I'll be choosing the first one and then go with reserve comfort, which is on the bottom, and simply tap on confirm pickup to confirm your pickup. And in this way, you'll be able to book a ride. And you can also go with the Uber Eats, which is on the right side, and you can simply choose the address, the deliver address, and here you need to simply enter the building type, the additional address information, and the floor or suite, and then business building name and drop off options. And you can also get the or add the address label, and you can simply adjust the pin if you want to, and go with save, which is on the bottom right, and you'll be able to use Uber Eats in this way. So that's how you can use your Uber app, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.